Is your Vizio TV completely dead with no light and no response? Don't panic. Here's how to bring it back to life fast. You're watching Tech Vibes. Let's fix this right now. When your Vizio TV shows no power at all, it usually means a power flow problem. That could be a blown internal fuse, bad power board, faulty backlight driver, or even a stuck mainboard. The good news is most of these can be checked and fixed step by step. Step 1. Unplug the TV and hold the power button on the TV itself for 30 seconds. This drains leftover power and resets the internal circuits. Step 2. Plug the TV directly into a wall outlet. Avoid power strips or surge protectors because they can fail silently. Step 3. Check the power cable carefully. Look for cuts or loose ends. If possible, try a different compatible power cord. Step 4. Look for the standby light in a dark room. If it's very dim or flickering, your power board is likely weak and needs inspection. Step 5. Open the back panel carefully. Check the power board for burnt spots, bulging capacitors, or a blown fuse. A blown fuse usually looks blackened or broken. Step 6. Use a multimeter to test the fuse on the power board. If there's no continuity, replace the fuse with the exact same rating. Step 7. Check the voltage output from the power board to the main board. If there's no output, the power board is faulty and needs replacement. Step 8. Disconnect the cable from the main board to the power board and plug the TV in briefly. If the backlight flashes, the main board is the problem. Step 9. Inspect the backlight strips. If they are shorted, the TV will not power on properly. You may need to replace the LED strips inside the panel. Step 10. Check for loose connectors. Reseat every cable firmly, especially between the power board, main board, and LED driver. Here's a pro tip. Even if everything looks fine, try replacing the power board first. It's the most common failure and often fixes the issue instantly without deeper repair. If you're not comfortable opening the TV, take it to a professional. Safety always comes first. If you face any difficulty, drop a comment below and I'll reply within 1 hour to help you out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more quick fixes like this. Your TV isn't dead yet, you just needed the right steps.